Ready? Yeah. Yeah. I hear them pops. Oh no, bro. YouTube, bro. No, my front splitter gone, bro. Oh, no. Still got that. Y'all, I can't believe I'm ending off the video with losing my front splitter on the highway, bro. I should have known to cool out, bro. I should have known, bro, because you know how I readjusted it, right? When we pulled up to the parking garage, I noticed that the front splitter in the front was hanging, like in the very front was hanging. So I like pushed it back in. So I'm like, okay, maybe I gotta put more screws in the very front. So boom, I forget about it. Driving home, I put on my hazards, right? Telling them goodbye. All I hear was me run over something. Something felt like it broke. The car was still rolling and driving. So I'm like, 2 seconds later, bruh, my front splitter, bruh. And y'all saw I pulled over and looked and all that, bruh. That's very unfortunate, man. I spent like $300 on that big ass thing, and I just got to readjust. I've been wanting to readjust that shit for so long, and that shit just disappeared on me, bruh. It's all good, bro. I'm gonna look at the positive of the situation. My front factory lip is already coming off the car. I'm gonna just do a new design. It just wasn't secure, bro, and I just lost it, bro. It lasted pretty long. I'm not gonna lie, it lasted pretty long. Maybe it's a good thing it's gone. I'm gonna give me a new lip. I'm gonna give me a new front end, and we're gonna be bounce back. You know what I'm saying? Bounce back. You know what I'm saying? It's just materialistic on the car, bro. It's all good, man. As long as my diffuser is still there, bro. That's all I really care about. My diffuser and my side skirts, bro. That's what I mostly care about, because I feel like that really makes the car look like me. I might cash out, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I might cash out. I don't know, though, cause I need to save my money, but I want to invest. I want to buy car parts, but car parts just be expensive, y'all, and I got bills. It is what it is, man. It's all good. Hopefully, y'all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like up this video, man. Send a like to Dre and prayer to Dre, because y'all, I feel bad about losing my front splitter, bro. Oh my God, bro. It's sponge cakes. Don't bounce back like always. You dig? What's up, YouTube? It's your man Drewrld back here with another video, bruh. The car looks a little different right now. I have lost my front splitter. Driving home from hanging out with the boys. Oh, it don't look bad. Did put the side skirt back. It's not hanging no more, but it's kind of tilting up a little bit. It's fine. I'm gonna eventually replace this with something new, so stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really too bummed about the splitter, because it was already looking kind of weird even when I adjusted it. Y'all didn't even get to see it adjusted, bro. It wasn't really lining up with the body lines for real. But we have a problem, bro. I have a flat tire. For some reason, there's a nail in my car. It is right there. You see it? I don't know how I got that in my car. For some reason, it's in my car. So we're going to go ahead and plug that up. Usually I go to Sam's Club and let them do it. But last time I went there, they gave me attitude. They didn't feel like plugging up my tire last time. So fuck them, bro. I'd rather just do it myself. If I can't even plug up a tire, bro, I should just not work on cars at all. Sign up. But yeah, we about to get into the big body Suburban and go to AutoZone. YouTube, I got the car on the jack, got the tire off, got the tire right here, got the clip right here, got the pliers right there, got the four-way, the lug nuts, and the nail. You see the nail right here. We're gonna go ahead and take off this nail, plug it up. We should be good to go. So I'm not gonna hold the camera, show y'all the process, bro. Just take the nail out, get this little sharp thing, smooth it out, and then get one of these, put it in there, and then cut it. Simple. All right, catch y'all. RU2, we had plugged up the hole with the kit. I found this right here. We gotta take that out. I hear the air coming from there. Yeah, we're gonna have to take that out. Let me go ahead and find a tool so I can try to take that out. It's gonna be loud. What's good, YouTube? We got the car wash. Oh, almost dropped the power washer. But yeah, we getting him clean. My boy London on the other side. We're gonna see him a little bit, but let me go ahead and wash this car, bro. And I kept back up with y'all when I'm done. Simple. We just finished washing and wiping down the whip. Got the 5.0 right here. Looking nice with the new taillights. If you haven't watched my last video at the car meet, I did change my taillights, you know what I'm saying? And my boy London over here with his Challenger, who just swapped the differential. I said that boy London over here with his Challenger with the swap differential. He said he trying to slide. He trying to slide. He trying to slide. Look at this. I know y'all haven't seen this duo in a minute, you know what I'm saying? But we here, though. We outside, though. You know what I'm saying? This man right here, make sure you go check out his channel because he got a lot of things coming with this Challenger. You know I'm a little slow on my mods. You get what I'm saying? But, you know, you got to, what I'm trying to say, you know, builds don't happen overnight, you know what I'm saying? And you know cars cost a lot of money, especially these sports cars, but it's coming along, man. This man got hella mods waiting, so go ahead, check out SRT Londo. His Instagram right here. Go ahead, do that. And y'all already know it's good with me. Drewrld in the building. We in our own world. Look at that. I'm tall as shit. 5-0 look crazy. You know, this boy Lonnie got the professional camera. I'm gonna be next. Don't worry. Don't worry, bro. My birthday right around the corner, man.
And we all gonna have cameras. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And I know y'all waiting on the 360 camera. Shh. But yeah, man. I also want to do my tips. It's not bad, but I kind of want to get chrome tips. So like chrome tips in the back would look crazy. With the chrome sign, that would look crazy. I might swap the lug nuts to black though and keep the horse silver. Dang, that's a tough angle. I'm not gonna hold you. I might take a picture. That was nice. And it's a vet. You know what I'm saying? I saw a little, I think that's a 550i, if I had to guess. A straightaway I seen, and I went crazy, you know what I'm saying? Gave y'all a little pull. And I have no gasoline in the whip. When do I ever have gas in the whip? When was another Stingy Rono over there? Stingy Bingy. I said Stingy Bingy. I need to clean my windshield, y'all. I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll do that this weekend, man. I need to put that on the list. And I need to do my O2 sensor, put the space on. Also, I need them brakes too. Y'all, I think I drained the last of the 93 gas, bruh, because it stopped at 41, 47. And it wouldn't go up any higher. And most of these joints said out of order. So I think I used up the last bit of 93.
I used to sleep on the couch. I brought a big ass house with a big bed, but I still sleep on the couch. Freak bitch just want to put in her mouth.